Most solopreneurs overthink Canva. If you're using the free version and want something clean and professional, start with presentations. We'll show you using Canva free only. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is for solopreneurs and small business owners who want to save time using Canva. Let's dive in. From the Canva home screen, go to Presentations. The editor will open and you can choose the style you want. If you're using the free version, look for templates without the crown symbol. Those are free to use. You can search for any design you like, or you can use Canva's AI feature and type in what you're looking for. When you're a solopreneur, simpler is usually better. Presentation templates often come with multiple pages, which makes it easy to stay on brand. You can edit the text, colors, and elements to suit your business. You can use Canva's free photo library or upload your own images. Before I share 3 additional free photo libraries, I just want to say this. This content is for you and it's shaped by you. If you'd like to be part of that, you can scan the QR code or click the link in the description to help shape our future videos. Now, back to the tutorial. The first free photo library is Unsplash. This is great for modern, clean, lifestyle-style images. The second is Pixabay. This one is useful if you need more general business images, icons, or illustrations. And the third is Pexels. This is great for simple, high-quality photos and short videos. Back in Canva, you can upload your images or those from Unsplash, Pixabay, or Pexels and adjust them to fit your presentation slides. You can also update fonts and font sizes across multiple pages to keep everything consistent. If you'd like, you can even add simple animations to your elements. Just don't overdo it. Once you're happy with your presentation, click the Share button in the top right, then choose Download. You can download it as a PowerPoint file or as a PDF. If you download it as a PowerPoint file, you can also add transitions later if you need them. If you found this video helpful and would like to help shape our future videos, don't forget to scan the QR code or click the link in the description. Like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials for solopreneurs and small business owners.